This is a quick video showing some simple tricks that you can use so you can make the most out of models you find online. The first step is making sure that the parts are small enough to fit on your printer. This barrel piece is way too long to fit on my printer, so I need to split it. I select the object I want to split, go into the edit menu and click split. I rotate the plane that it's going to split along so it goes vertical. Then I make sure to select keep both so that both parts will be saved after the split. I then drag the cutting plane to the precise point that I want it to cut. It's easier to hide seams in creases and cracks, so I try and aim to put it in this divot here. Once I'm happy with the position, I can then click split. And there we go, the parts are separated and will fit on my printer. The second step is putting dowel holes into the model, and this is so important to make sure that it's strong when you assemble it. I have two parts here and a green box which I got from the insert menu. The most tedious part is making sure that the dowel is placed nice and central. Usually they should snap into place. Using the X-ray view you can see inside the part and make sure it's positioned exactly where you want it. I then check multiple angles to make sure that the dowel is the correct dimensions. I usually aim for the dowel to be about 1/3 the thickness of the part. Here you can see the dowel is too wide for the handle, so I quickly go into the sizing settings and make it thinner. Now it's a lot closer to that 1/3 ratio. Now that I'm happy with its placement and size, I click subtract. This process deletes the dowel and any material it was in contact with, so make sure you have spares as it will disappear. Make sure when you're printing this dowel piece, it's 0.3 mm smaller in each direction. You may recognise this piece from earlier, but here is a good example of what you should be aiming for with the fit. It's easy to slide together, and as you can see, the seam is barely noticeable because we put it in that crease. As you can see, the dowel is snug enough so that if you hold it vertical, it isn't going to slide apart. Having dowels separate like this means you don't have to reprint really big parts if you get the sizing wrong.